Good afternoon. It is Tuesday. You know what that is, Tea Tuesday, and we always join in with our awesome friend, Life with Patty. She's an awesome channel and she does lots of great content. Tea Tuesday is a simple post you can put up any Tuesday. It doesn't really matter what it's about. Everyone puts up something different and talks about something different. Lots of great content on this, and you never get bored watching the playlist because nobody's talking about the same thing. And as you can see, Patty has lots of content on her channel. She does Tea Tuesday on Tuesday, Die Cut Monday, and she also does Coloring Party with Friends on Monday. Every day you're going to see something new and different, and she's a great friend to have. So don't forget to go over and check out Life with Patty and think about joining in for Tea Tuesday. And our co-hostess today is Kathy's favorite things. She always comes up with something wonderful to share with us. She takes us shopping with her, doing DIY projects with her, shakers with her, and of course, she joins in with a lot of great channels. So make sure you go check out this channel, Kathy's favorite things. It's tea time, as you can see here in the cozy corner. I have my cinnamon apple chamomile tea out and ready to enjoy, along with my beautiful sugar bowl with the rose on it and my creamer. Isn't it beautiful? I love it. And of course, my teacup and saucer with the butterflies and bees. And of course, my cozy corner is all decorated up with my beautiful Mackenzie Childs pieces. This is something so beautiful and romantic, and it didn't cost me a dime. Already had the pieces. Today for Tea Tuesday, we're going to be sharing some of my awesome friends that join in for Coloring Party with Friends every week and do a lot of coloring with us. I wanted to give them a shout out and give them recognition for all the love and support they always show my channel. Please go over and check out these awesome creators and see if they have something you would like and maybe think about joining their channels. Some of you probably are already following these channels. You can go over and just go give a little love and support and say, hi, I'm over here giving a little love and support. And don't forget to let them all know that Grandma Sandy sent you over, since they're all awesome channels. And I really want you to enjoy them and get to know my friends. And we love sharing them with you. Here is one of my awesome friends that shares and joins in Coloring Party with Friends 2023. Oh my gosh, you need to go check out her channel. She does beautiful displays, and she's very supportive. These are the kind of friends you need, and make sure you go over and watch what she did this week on Coloring Party with Friends. She's always coming up with something beautiful to share. She joins in with Tea Tuesday most of the time, and she does several coloring challenges every week, including mine. And as you can see, coloring she loves to do. She does a great job also. She shares her Teemo hauls with you, and she does do a lot of crafting on her channel too and making wonderful things. And she does get a lot of happy mail too. Oh my gosh, she is so creative and comes up with such beautiful things. Go check her out. Here's another one of my wonderful friends. Now, we've been friends for probably 3 or 4 years, so we didn't just start being friends. She does a lot of great stuff on her channel. She also joins in Coloring Party with Friends 2023 from time to time. But she does lots of other things too, doing lots of crafts and shopping videos, and makes the most beautiful garden on her little patio she has. And she has several different channels too. So please go check this one out if you like crafting, coloring, gardening, and grocery shopping, and a few cooking videos. She is awesome. Here's another one of my awesome friends and another awesome channel. You need to go check this one out. Oh my gosh, she does such beautiful things on her channel. She joins in for a Coloring Party with Friends, but she does more than just color. I don't know how she finds the time, but she joins in on Tea Tuesday and does a couple of coloring videos every week too. And of course, she does some great gardening videos I always enjoy. She does a lot of other collabs and watches and shares. She does New to Me every Thursday, and I try to join in on that one also. She does Fun Card Friday, have never done that. And of course, she does the Teemo hauls, and she's always doing a great job on those. I try to do my Teemo hauls on Friday, so if anyone wants to join in and use the hashtag Teemo, my Friday hashtag is Teemo Time. If anyone wants to join in, as you can see here, she does Teemo haul and Friday haul on hers. She is a great channel, so go give her some love and support. And one of the big things that she does is budget meals under $5. This is every Wednesday, and I used to join in a lot, but since my husband's been sick, I just haven't had the time to do it. But eventually I will get back doing it every Wednesday. A great collab, and gives you some great ideas on what to fix for dinner on a budget. Go check that out and check out all the great hostesses that join in.